Alright guys, here's the finished product with the new mats installed. These mats look great, match really well. I'll show you the back runner, which I'm actually surprised how good this back runner fits. Fits in there. It's a little dark in here. Obviously I'm inside. I don't have a bar light. But check out this. The cargo area fits really nicely. What a color match. This is the thickest mat you can buy. I kind of like that AMG feel, you know. I know it's a 2003 Lexus, but and some of that stuff will come out. But look at the back trunk area. Look how nice that came out. I cleaned every underside where we put these carpets. All of these have been cleaned. And these are just the installed on top of freshly cleaned and detailed up. But look at that. Looks really, really good. I'm pretty excited. This is the right move for me. You know, we all have to do what we think is right for us. All right, guys, that brings a close to setting up my new mats, cleaning the carpets in this LX 470. I've been loving driving this thing, but these mats fit me. I know there's a lot of guys that are going to go for WeatherTechs or things like that. And I'll say this, it doesn't fit me personally. It's just not the thing that I wanted for this vehicle. I do have the WeatherTech style mats in another vehicle that I own, but I'm going to be the only one in this, and giving it that sort of like luxurious feel. You know, this was a luxury car back then. And so for me personally, it's one of those things that I'm really enjoying driving this vehicle, and these new floor mats are going to make it even better for me. So I hope everybody out there has a great day, and I brought you in on a small little project here, finishing on a Saturday, just all by myself in the shop. See you guys soon.